Okay, so this is Swagbucks. I'm gonna enter in my information. I'm not gonna let y'all see my information though. But if you enter my information, now you on the Swagbucks site. Right. Alright, so I'm not trying to show too much. Hold on. So this is my hold on. Actually, let me. Alright, so this is my beginning points. I'm not trying to say it. This is my beginning points right now. So this, half of this is like points I've already accumulated for over like a while. I haven't been on here for a really long time. And I just started back up this last 2 weeks. So this is my beginning point balance. So I'm gonna upload my receipt, and it's gonna show you how much my total point balance is at that point. Okay? Says I just went grocery shopping today, so I'm gonna do a deal from here. Let's go to deals. Magic. So you go to magic receipts. Alright, so this is some of the deals that I have on here. I'm gonna do, which one means I'm gonna do the famous Amos one today. Famous Amos. And I'm gonna do the Pillsbury refrigerated stuff. So yeah. So once I do that, I'm gonna show you how I did it. And this one says with all the deals I have in there, I can get 3,489 Swagbucks. So I think that comes out to like $34.89 or something like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna hit upload. Upload. I think I might have to do it again. Let me submit it and see if it works. I might have to do it again. Because your image has to be clear. Yeah, it has to be clear. I thought it was clear though, but I'm gonna do it closer and put more light on it. Right? This is my beginning point balance. And then I'm gonna submit the receipt. Submit receipt. Alright. Now let's see if it goes through now. Alright. Okay, wait, hold on now. Wait, where's my other 200 points? No, I'm supposed to get 200, not 1,000. Because it's supposed to give me 1,200 points, not 1,000 points for these two. And now it's gone off of my, my magic receipts thing, so I can't even go back to it. But it's supposed to give me 1,200 points, not 1,000. Which 200 points is like $2. So yeah, I was supposed to get 1,200 total for those two famous Amos cookie packs. But here's my point total now. So yeah. But I'm kind of upset though. Okay, so this is called a daily poll. And these are polls that you can do every single day. Every single day there's a new poll to take. You can just answer like a basic question. And it gives you one Swagbuck. All you gotta do is answer the question. That's it. But one Swagbuck is like a penny, I guess. So you're not really gonna get far. But every single day, everything counts. So if you did it every single day for 365 days, you have 365 Swagbucks. But just do them every single day if you can. 365 Swagbucks more than likely to be equal to $3.65. Okay, so these things that I'm scrolling on, they're Swagbuck deals, and everything has its own like amount. So if it says 300, then it's like $3. If it's 100 points, then it's 100 Swagbucks and it'll be $1. And each have its own set of rules, or like a certain amount you have to buy. Because some items you have to buy one, and some items you have to buy two. So you just have to pay attention to the fine print. And some of the items, you have to make sure you buy the specific size that they're asking. Some of these products are not available at every single store, so you have to pay attention to what it says. Like, this item is only available at Walmart, or this item is only available at Publix. Okay. This means that I have $20. 2,030 points. Okay, so I realized I made a mistake. I grabbed, well, I thought I was able to grab the two different ones, but sometimes it's not allowed at Publix. So yeah, I paid full price for both of them instead of getting buy one get one free, because there are different sizes, but sometimes they allow it and sometimes they don't. So you had to pay attention to that also, especially if you're at Publix. But yeah, I paid full price for both of them, and I only got 100 points back, so which is $1. But I spent like, I think $10 and something. I didn't realize it. So yeah, make sure you pay attention to that.
Okay, so your best bet is to also do surveys as well because just doing deals, I mean, doing deals is really good too because I feel like you can get there faster to check out or to cash out your money. But it's good to do surveys as well if you qualify because you're not going to always qualify for every single survey. That's the only thing with the surveys. If you attempt the survey, it gives you one swag buck for attempting the survey. But the surveys, like once you get in there, they ask you some questions. And then, depending on what they're looking for, it'll determine if you qualify for the survey or not. If you don't, it'll boot you out the system for that particular survey, and then you get to try to see if you qualify for another one. But once you attempt and you complete the survey, you get the full amount of points for that survey. Alright, so these kind of sites is not really gonna help you pay your mortgage or anything like that, especially if your mortgage is like $2,500. I don't think it's gonna do all that. But if you need like an extra 40 $50, it just depends on you how much time you're willing to put into it because the surveys, some of the surveys, it's like 30 minutes for like, I don't know, like 500 points, which is like $5. So, and that's if you even qualify for the survey. So it just depends on you and how much time you're willing to put into it because some of the surveys, they take a while and the payout is really not, like I said, you're not going to pay rent with it, but it's something if you're really broke or you really need like an extra 10, 20, 30, $40. But your best bet is to do the deals and also do surveys or attempt to do the surveys too. Because if you once you qualify for it and you're able to get the amount of points for that survey, then it'll help you get your swag bucks up so that you can cash out at some point. I'm I'm trying to wait until I get to like $300 or $400 to cash out. And another thing with those is like once you get to a certain amount of money, I think it's once you get to $500 or $499 or something like that. I think they either send you a paper or something. You have to claim it on your taxes or whatever. I haven't got to that point, so yeah. But that's within the year. If for each year you only make $480, I think you don't have to worry about it. But I have to like look at the policy and everything like that to see if anything has changed. And then I'll go from there. But yeah,